What's up, family? Could you use an extra $500 a month? How about an extra $1,000 a month?
No comment. But yes.
Well, you're in the right place because in today's video, I'm gonna give you some real options, some of my best money makers, online side hustles to start now. And I'm not just pulling stuff out of the sky. Oh no, these are things that I personally do in order to earn thousands of dollars without leaving home. This is what I do. So if you could use some extra money to take that dream vacation or to pay some bills, or some extra spending money, or if you happen to be that responsible person to save, then you need to be watching this video all the way through because I'm gonna give you some real, legit options that you can do from the comfort of your home and bring in that extra money. And these include options to earn a passive income. So you do the work once and watch the money roll in for years. But before I drop these free gems, I need you to do me a favor and hit that algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you like this type of content. You like to make money. You want to bring in some more income. This keeps me in your algorithm by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications. And if you are new here, let me know in the comments that you're new here so I can say, hey. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the best money makers, online side hustles. You need to start now. Let's go. Are you paying attention? I hope you're paying attention. Stop the distractions. Stop everything right now.
Okay.
We have to talk about these online side hustles that have earned me thousands of dollars. I play with you not. The first one that is really popular on this channel, audiobook narration. Audiobook narration basically lets you get paid to read books. Tell me that's not a good hustle. This is something that I started back in 2020. I actually auditioned for an audiobook online and I got a contract after that first audition. And from there, the money kept rolling in because I got contract after contract after contract. I ended up recording 5 audiobooks, and these books earn me a monthly income from Audible, which is the #1 marketplace for audiobooks. So yeah, one audition turned into 5 books that each earned me a passive income monthly for 7 years. So my very first book was in 2020 and the last one was in 2023. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting paid until 2030. And that's not including any other books that I do in the future. I've done content on audiobook narration here on this channel, but I'm gonna give you a really quick rundown of the process of becoming an audiobook narrator. So the first thing that you need to do is, a lot of people like to go to a website called ACX. It's owned by Amazon. You can go on there, you can create a free profile, and then you can audition for audiobooks. That's exactly what I did. The thing is, you have to actually audition, okay? You can't sit back and say,
oh, people told me that I have a great voice. People told me that I should do this. I need some extra money and I like to read.
and not do anything. We're not having that. We're making money moves over here, all right? Matter of fact, drop that in the comments. Money moves, okay? So I can shout you out because I know you've been paying attention. But once you get yourself a contract, you need to start recording. So what are you gonna do? You are going to grab yourself a microphone, okay? This is my microphone. This is a Shure MV51 microphone. This is what I use. The sound is awesome, but this is not the only microphone that is available for audiobook narration. There are a bunch of microphones that are available that are even more affordable than this one. Okay, I'm gonna put you back, microphone, okay? You've made me a lot of money. Thank you very much. Mwah. Now, a microphone is the main thing that you need when it comes to audiobook narration. You don't need a fancy studio or anything like that. When I record in a regular old bedroom. Whatever you do, please don't record on your phone. That is not professional. It's not gonna measure up to somebody like me that actually went and got themselves a microphone. And if you need some ideas of equipment that you can get in a variety of budgets, I have my Amazon storefront and there is a section for audiobook narration. So check that out. So the reason why I'm telling you about audiobook narration is because it changed my life. I've earned thousands of dollars from audiobook narration, and I continue to do so. Audiobook narration is an opportunity that a lot of people can take advantage of, but a lot of y'all just don't. Why is that? And we could talk about that in the comments if you would like. But if you are somebody that wants to get into audiobook narration and you want to streamline the process and not have to deal with trying to learn it all on your own, I do have my Audiobook Blueprint course that you can join. The Audiobook Blueprint has had awesome reviews from my students who I've helped streamline the process, help them save a bunch of time, help them weed out the fakes, because a lot of them will come to me like, can you check this out? Let me know if this is a real offer. I do that for the students in my course. So I know a lot of y'all come here on YouTube and you think, okay, I'll just ask Nikki to do this for me. No, you gotta come into the course, baby. But let's move on to this next money maker that has earned me thousands of dollars, and that is blogging. Blogging consists of having your own website and basically spilling your thoughts or spilling your information onto the pages of that website. A lot of people don't realize that blogging is still here. It's still a great way of earning money. So if you have information that you would like to share with the world and you don't have to show your face if you don't want to, then blogging can be a great option. You're probably wondering, okay, well, how can I actually make money from this? Well, I'm gonna list some of the ways that I make money from my blog. So the first way is by having ads on my blog. If you come to my blog, I try not to bombard people with ads, but advertisers are paying to have that shown on my blog. No freebies here, honey. Those companies have to pay in order to be shown on my platform. And speaking of my platform, there's no demonetization going on here. There's no glitches. The way YouTube was trying to play with my money, none of that can happen on my blog because I own it, okay? So no, you can't kick me off my platform. It's my blog, NikkiConnected.com. Anyway, another way that I earn money with blogging is by having brand deals. So just like your favorite YouTubers, am I your favorite YouTuber? I hope so. Some of your favorite YouTubers do brand deals. We get paid by brands to mention certain products on YouTube. But when it comes to blogging, there can be sponsored posts where you can write a whole blog post that is sponsored by that company. So even early on in my blogging journey, I got sponsored by Old Navy. During that sponsored post, I went to Old Navy and took some photos there and talked about their sale at the time. This was when my blog was Deal Finding Diva. Now it's NikkiConnected.com, but it matched within my brand at the time. So even as an early blogger, you can still get brand deals, but other than full blog posts, there are also mentions that you can do within a blog post. So you might just talk about a specific brand in one little paragraph and still get paid for that as well. And that's a great way of earning some extra money without having to really put too much time into creating a whole new post just for this specific brand. But in your content that you're already doing, you can just incorporate a brand that is willing to pay. Now there's a third way that I make money on my blog, which is my highest paying way that I earn money on my blog. So stay tuned because I am going to get deep into that. Now, if you do want to get into blogging, basically you're going to have to find a host for your blog. You're going to need to find some land for your house to sit on. So what I use is a company called Bluehost. When you use a company like Bluehost, it just makes the whole blogging process a lot easier because that one company can provide you with a domain name so you can make your www.nikkiconnected.com. Well, you can't have that one because that one is already taken, but you can have your own specified domain name if it's available. Also, having a hosting provider like Bluehost gives you the opportunity to be able to have a secure website so you don't get your blog hacked. You need to try to make sure that you have a secure domain. Your domain is your property, right? But if you want to make your blog all pretty and have nice designs and actually figure out how to go about building that blog, I do offer coaching, all right? So I can work with you one-on-one and help you build your blog, or I'm actually available to build your blog for you. So if you do want to get into blogging and make the process a little bit easier, then I can help you with that. Just drop me a comment and I'll hit you up. Or you can go over to my website, nikkiconnected.com, and go to my contact page and contact me directly through there. With blogging, you can get started for really, really cheap. We're talking about like $3 a month. You do not have to break the bank in order to use blogging as your moneymaker, okay? You can earn thousands of dollars in a month by blogging. So if you have $3 that you want to turn into thousands, I'm gonna link Bluehost down below so that you can sign up and start your website, okay? You're gonna start that blog. Like I said, we're not gonna sit back and we're not gonna keep talking about it. We're making the money moves. So go ahead and click that link for Bluehost. And it is an affiliate link, so you help a single mom as well when you do sign up. So you help me help you. And speaking of affiliate links, let's get into the third way that I earn money on my blog. And it's also the third money maker for this video. I feel like I need to be playing like 333 for the lottery or something. This third way of making money is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is basically when you get paid a commission to tell people about a product or a service. So you give them the link to go to the website and make that purchase, or sometimes there's not even a purchase needed. How many times have I come on here and I told you guys about apps or websites where you can earn money and you click those links and it doesn't cost you anything and you actually start earning? Sometimes those links are affiliate links where I earn a commission for having sent you over to that platform. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if you are handing out affiliate links, then you need to be making sure that those affiliate links are legit. Don't just go out here and find some magical weight loss pills and throw them online for people to buy so that you can get a commission, and those pills don't even work. You've never tried the pills before. You don't know anything about it. They're not even FDA approved. We're not doing that. We're doing it the legit way, because the fact of the matter is your reputation is also on the line when you are doing this. You want people to trust you. You want people to continue to use your links, because that way they'll come back for more. So that can help you earn even more money in the long run. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing, I do have my mini course, the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass, that you can check out. I'll link it down below. So in case you're somebody that wants to start blogging, or if you want to start a YouTube channel, or if you want to use your social media platforms in order to earn money, then you definitely need to grab that Affiliate Marketing Masterclass so that you can find out exactly how you can go about doing that. So let's move on to this fourth moneymaker, and it is PLR products. PLR stands for private label rights. These are products that you can buy and then turn around and sell them as if you were the one that made them. You want to talk about a time saver? There are PLR products out there that have ebooks and even courses that you can put out there as if you were the one that made it, and you can sell them and earn a passive income for selling them. And I can just hear it now.
That's illegal. You can't do that. It's copyrighted.
That is not true. The only people that say that are people that have never used PLR products. They don't know what they're about, and they're just spewing it out to the world because,
Oh my goodness, this just can't be possible.
when you purchase private label rights products, they say up front how you're allowed to use it. Different products have different requirements. Some of them might tell you that you're not allowed to give it away for free. The thing is, with PLR products, you do not, I repeat, you do not want to just go ahead and resell it without rebranding it, without changing anything about it, because what's going to happen is yours is going to look just like everybody else's. So what makes yours different? You want yours to stand out. You want yours to look different. You want it to look unique. Now, to make money with PLR products, there are so many different ways that you can do it. So you can sell it on a platform such as Amazon. So there's Amazon KDP, where you can upload those ebooks and sell them on Amazon. Or if you're a blogger like me, you can use it as an incentive to get people to sign up for your email list. Now, if you want to get into PLR, I got your back. There is a PLR product that I purchased that I have the rights to sell. So I'm going to sell it for way less than I paid for it. So if you are interested in the side hustle PLR bundle that I have available, then click the link down below and you will get it for $3. A whole bundle. A whole bundle of PLR products. This includes a course. This includes an ebook. This includes downloads, okay? So yeah, I got your back. Don't worry about it. I got you. So now that you made it this far, I want to know which of these money makers is one that you want to dive into. Is it audiobook narration? Is it blogging, affiliate marketing, or PLR products? But I do want one quick favor from you. If you could let me and the algorithm know that you like this type of content, I would really, really appreciate it, because YouTube keeps playing games with me. They keep playing games with my money. They keep playing games with getting my content out there to the people that actually need it. So what I need is for the Nikki Connected community to get connected. Hit the thumbs up button, and also please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And if you want to expound upon PLR and learn more about how PLR products can earn you money, I'm talking about a passive income, money in your sleep, then I suggest you watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and